Xiaomi Mi 10i with 5G support launched in India. Price, specifications. Xiaomi Mi 10i with 108MP primary camera, 5G support, fast charging support, and more launched in India. Xiaomi Mi 10i has been finally unveiled after making fans wait for a long time. The all-new smartphone brings a 108MP primary camera and 5G support in at an affordable price point. The Mi 10i India price is set at 20,999 rupees for the 6GB plus 64GB store variant. The 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 21,999 rupees. There is also a 8GB plus 128GB storage option priced at 23,999 rupees in India. Mi brand aims to bring the latest and the best technology to our Mi fans. The Mi 10 series Mi 10, Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro has received an overwhelming response, reiterating our aspiration to bring breakthrough technology. One of the things that everyone loved about the Mi 10 series was the flagship 108MP camera sensor, Manu Jain, Managing Director, Mi India, said in a statement. The smartphone will go on sale on Amazon India, Mi.com, Mi Studio stores, and Mi Home stores from January 7 at 12 noon and will be available soon across 10,000 plus retail partners across the country. The Mi 10i has a quad rear camera setup that includes a 108MP Samsung HM2 sensor with a 1/1.52-inch sensor size, 9:1 pixel binning, 2.1mm super pixel, and f/1.75 aperture. There's an 8MP ultra-wide sensor as well with 120-degree field of view and f/2.2 aperture. There is a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth lens as well. For selfies and video chats, the Mi 10i houses a 16MP front-facing camera. The smartphone features a 6.67-inch Full HD+, 1,080x 2,400 pixels, water drop-style notch display with up to 120Hz adaptive sync refresh rate. The device runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512GB via microSD card slot. Xiaomi Mi 10i packs a 4,820 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support, and it runs on MIUI 12 based on Android 11. The smartphone offers a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and an IR sensor. Connectivity options include 5G SA/NSA dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C. The phones measure 165.38x 76.8x 9.0 mm, and the weight is 214 grams.